Welcome to the first annual Belchathon. We're using Polar Seltzer, Black Cherry. So let's begin, boys.
I rock.
Ew. Oh God, no, not the breath.
You guys suck. Oh, you all are really bad at this. I rock. I have extreme talent. Yeah. You lose. W-G.
Oh damn it.
I am done. I can still burp. I slap you. Oh no. Easy. We'll be back in a second. And we're back.
Damn it. I lose miserably.
You do.
And we all know what that means.
The loser gets fucked.
I win! Dude, you're right.
It's time to meet the people of the cast. I am Eli Sorich. This is Max Radell or Rydell, whichever one you prefer. And this is Nate Ring.
I lose.
You lost.
Second place!
And I got first. Oh yeah.
Eli's breath stinks really bad. Almost made me retch. Thank you. Eli's really tall. He's like
I am.
5'7".
5'8 3/4.
I'm short. Oh.
Let's get a
Dude, you just told the internet.
big angle.
I don't care.
Alright, you guys stand next to each other so we can have a comparison. Alright.
Alright.
Now it's time for
Now
this
we're gonna
comparison.
have Eli. This still isn't a belch off, you know. Right now. You know.
Somebody else hold it. Max, since we know you're short. We know Nate, you're middle, so you hold it.
Okay.
So me and Max
Damn it.
comparison.
I can't even see Eli because... Okay, there we go. Poor man.